It's easy to forget about vault transformers. They're underground, out of sight, and out of mind. Furthermore, because the capital investment in vault transformers seems low relative to your other equipment, some managers think the cost of monitoring isn't worth the return. Ask any tech who's ever had to go down and run routine checks on vault transformers. It's wet, slippery, dark, dirty, and hard to breathe. There can be rats and other creatures, sadly, even homeless people looking for shelter. To make matters worse, what if your vault transformer is unstable? Then it's really dangerous, because a little hydrogen can cause a big problem. Do you really want to risk your team for information that can be gathered remotely? As the cost and quality of monitoring devices comes down, the value of monitoring even your lower price transformer assets makes sense. Stay warm, dry, and informed. With a variety of affordable single gas and multifunction submersible monitors, you can keep eyes on your assets without sending the team underground unless it's absolutely necessary. Many vault transformers are relatively simple models. Monitoring for a single gas, hydrogen, is the most important indicator of the health of the device. Yet there are literally hundreds and thousands of these transformers buried across the country with no monitoring whatsoever. They're vulnerable to water, corrosion, shifting soil, and age. One smart solution is the Qualitrol DGA 150. Since hydrogen is an early indication of larger problems in the transformer's life cycle, real-time monitoring of hydrogen provides an economical method for maintaining the overall health of the transformer. That's what the DGA 150 does. It's easy to install and gives you peace of mind without putting people in danger. Let's get your team out of the vault. If you and your colleagues believe it's time to start using today's technology to monitor your vault transformers, let's talk about your options. The safety is an obvious benefit, but you might be surprised by the savings. Once installed, you'll spend far fewer man-hours checking the transformers. Best case scenario, it takes a crew of 2 people 1 hour to confirm the condition of 1 vault transformer. Remote monitoring gives you real-time access right from your desktop. No need to send out a team, no wondering or waiting for a failure, and far fewer trips down under for any reason. Qualitrol has the solutions at the right price. We're ready to help and make it happen. Have a question on vault transformer monitoring? Interested in learning more information on how to properly monitor your vault applications? Send us an email at info@qualitrolcorp.com.